Mr. Ing's class, we will greatly succeed. Intelligence we will breed and never ever cheat. And don't forget to show your work, because when you get that 4.0, you'll have a huge smirk.
Hey Stats students, whatever you do, do it well. Do it so well that when people see you do it, they will want to come back and see you do it again, and they will want to bring others and show them how well you do what you do. Says this guy, Walt Disney, founder of Disney Company and Disneyland. It's time for our game plans, guys. Week number 33, March 19th to April 19th to April 23rd, 2021. We're finishing up chapter 4. This week we'll be focusing on 4.7, the multiplication counting principle and permutations. And we just have one more, 4.8, and we're done with chapter 4. What's our agenda today? We got some game plans, school, room 902 news, week at a glance number 33, and some one-on-ones. Common Core SBAC testing, 11th graders tested last week. And then that was for my 12th graders. But this week, you guys are focusing on science. So you'll be testing in science in your science class or with some teacher. And if you need more time, you can also use this link to sign up for more time. You get to go with the substitute, and then they'll help you get the test you need on the 27th. All right, let's take a look at some other stuff. Okay, a little bit updated is this baby plan. And I need to record the video, but when you click on this, it basically brings you to some Google Slides, and then in pink there, you can just watch the video. So basically, you only click on this once you know that I'm having a baby. Well, how do you know that? It's in Schoology, there will be and I'll put an announcement if I can, or I'm also going to put here a Google Meets link. If I have time, I might send it out like, hey, I'm going to the hospital, things like that. But basically, it's going to be like a baby project, baby plan project, or you guys are doing some kind of reflection project. And I only plan to be out 2 to 3 days, but let's just say I come back and I'm like, hey guys, just work on your project. This project will be worth 15% of your grade, so it is a significant amount. And all of your work will be postponed until I come back. Okay, so let's just say I have some kind of deadline. Let's just make this up. I have a deadline for May 3rd, maybe for you to turn in work, and then the baby comes on that day. I just push back all of your work and just wait till I come back. And hopefully you guys recognize that I'm reasonable. Talking about grades, seniors, last semester I did this thing called pass the final, pass the class. Well, that finals deal is no longer on the table. Seniors, you're going to have to earn it 40% or higher. Easy way is your Khan Academy is 10% of your grade. You need a total of 4 hours by the end of this month, and then next month, 5 hours, 300 minutes. Might as well just get done so you don't get super stressed in the last month. And also, 10% of your grade is just coming in and logging in on the Zoom, so just your attendance. Remember, if you need help at any time, you can go to the SAP tutors, or you can just click on here and make an appointment with me. If you need help with that, just click on the video. And definitely check out my clubs, seniors, those who want to become future educators. That's why this club's called Future Rebel Educators. Please join us. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is growing. Remember, our central question is, how can you use multiplication counting principle to determine the number of ways to complete a process involving several steps? Like for you, maybe it's like a graduation gown, and then you're like, well, if I wear this dress, I put it with these shoes, but I have these 2 dresses, and I have these 2 pairs of shoes, and the different combinations. Well, that's what this lesson's all about. Okay, so our week at a glance is assignment 33.4 is due today, Monday, the 19th, and I'll show you what that is on the next slide. And you guys are taking a quiz number 12, 4146. Now, normally you watch the week at a glance on a Monday, but because you're taking the quiz, I want you to make sure you have all the time possible. So on Tuesday, I'll finish up some one-on-ones. We'll watch the week at a glance 33 video together. I got a really cool, I think, warm-up that you'll like. And then we're going to do something we did previously in quarter 1, which was like a grade reflection. So you're going to do this quarter 3 grade reflection. If you guys click on it, let me show it to you really quickly. And this time I'm not going to make it worth a quiz. And it's the same thing, so you just look at your Aries grade, fill it out, and if you need help, when you click on this video, it's an old video help. It's the same idea, but different worth and different deadlines, okay? So just remember that if you're watching to get some help or ideas. Wednesday, I'll release lesson 4.7, Thursday 4.7, and Friday you'll work on homework 4.7. Okay, what have we been up to? So everything in yellow should be turned in, and it's yellow because I haven't graded it yet. So the next one I need to grade is 30.4, and then this one, guys, something crazy. This might be your last assignment. Okay, this green one. It won't be due for another couple of weeks, so you have time. But that's so sad. It does not matter. Walt Disney says, whatever you do, do it well. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Mr. Ing's class, we will greatly succeed. Intelligence we will breed and never ever cheat. And don't forget to show your work. 'Cause when you get that 4.0, you'll have a huge smirk.